Hello. I will teach you how to make a ragdoll in GDevelop 5. First, go to Build. Then create a new project. I already have a project pre-made for this tutorial. You can name your project whatever you like. Once you have your project open, go to Create a new object. This will be our floor. I have already created the sprite. Make sure your floor is big enough. Next, right-click on Floor and then click Edit Behaviors. Give the floor the Physics 2.0 behavior. Make sure the floor is set to static, not dynamic. After that, we can start making the ragdoll. Click Create a new object, then click Sprite. I recommend that the image for the head is 64 by 64 pixels. Now click Edit Points. Make sure the origin is in the middle. If your image is 64 by 64, set the coordinates of the origin to 32 and 32. Then add a point called Torso Attach, set the coordinates to 32 and 64. Now add another sprite, this will be the torso. Every part of the ragdoll will connect to the torso. I recommend the image in 64 by 128 pixels. Add the same points I have here. Pause the video if you need to. Skip ahead if you already have the points. Now we will create the arms. I recommend the image is 24 by 128 pixels. As before, add the same parts one have here and pause the video if you need to. I recommend that the legs are 32 by 128 pixels. By the way, the left arm attach point coordinates will be 24 and 0. After you are done, click the button in the top left corner. Go down to Extensions and click Search for new extensions. Type Draggable in the search box and hit Enter. Then click Draggable for physics objects, click Install in Project. Now, add the behavior draggable for physics objects to every part of the ragdoll and it will do the rest for you. Skip ahead if you need to. Now, go to Events. This is where we add all of the joints. Yours does not have to look like mine. Add the condition at the beginning of the scene. For this part, you will add a revolut joint to every part of the ragdoll except for the torso. Copy everything that I have and pause the video when needed. Now, add the condition mouse cursor is inside window and make it an inverted condition. Next, add release dragged object to every part of the ragdoll. Don't forget to save your project. Now you are done. Thanks for watching.